Ladies and gentlemen, can we fall step out with your Thank you very much, Your Excellency, and all other candidates.
Friday.
YPP. You will not be in a hurry to go.
To see this as an election ritual because it is never kept, and a lot of politicians do not keep to it. So it's just a ritual. We come and sign, and then the bad politicians amongst us will continue the violence. And I've just been informed that the former governor of the state whom you interviewed has accused me, the Oyediri governor, of stockpiling arms in Kolokmokokma. That should be the fattest lie of the year. And that shows that this peace accord is going to be ineffectual. It's going to be ineffectual because if a man chooses to be telling lies, even in the face of this accord, then something is wrong in our polity. I am really very embarrassed when I got that information. And everybody knows in this state, those who have given in to violence, and the flash red points in this state. Kolokmokokma has never been a flash red point. And I think that the candidate of the APC, Chief Timipre Silva, may have stockpiled arms in Kolokmokokma, and I call on the security agencies to immediately swing into action to see if Timipre Silva is bringing the devilish actions he has been taking in Nembe, where he has disallowed the people of Nembe to participate in democratic electoral peaceful processes. And we in Kolokmokokma will never accept that from him.
How committed are you to this peace accord?
I am one person that all of you will attest that the peace in this state is because the body language of the governor is peaceful. The body language of the governor is security. And so the issue or question of my commitment does not arise here. Thank you.
I'm very prepared, and I bless God for things like this so that everybody knows that it has to be peaceful. Like I said earlier, you don't win by violence, you don't win by war, you win by ideologies, you win by having good vision. So I am prepared, and I'm also believing that Bayelsans are prepared for change, because change will not come if we wait for some other persons or some other time. We are the change we've been waiting for. We have to be intentional about the development and growth of Bayelsa State. We can't leave it to some other people, and it's in our hands. We have to decide if we want Bayelsa State to develop. We have to decide. We cannot wait for other people to decide for us. Our decision is based on who we vote. We can't be repeating the same thing. Like this man said, he said, when purpose is not known, abuse is inevitable. We must know the purpose of this election. Why are we doing this? And why do we want to change? And if you know why you want to change, you can't repeat the same mistake. You can't be doing the same thing and expect different results. No. When you're doing the same thing, you get the same result. So let's do it differently this time. Vote APP, vote Emelai for Messi. Your name? Emelai for Messi, the Action People's Party candidate. Emelai for Messi, okay. The one you should vote for, the one that will bring growth and development. Thank you.
Thank you.
By one of the national commissioners, Mrs. May, and I see quite a few other commissioners who are island that are here.